Good day everyone, I'm Arnold Cortez. I'm discussing about the Philippine budget process involves the several case step. Okay, uh, first process is budget preparation. The budget process starts with government agencies submitting their budget proposals to the Department of Budget and Management. The department budget and management then consolidates these proposals into the National Expenditures Program. This is first process of the Philippine budget process. Okay, now the second budget processes in the Philippines is budget authorization. The National Expenditure Program is submitted to the Congress for review and approval. The Congress can make revision to the budget before approving it. Once approved, the budget becomes the General Appropriation Act. There's a second budget processes in the Philippines. Okay, the third budget processes in the Philippines is budget execution. After the General Appropriation Act GAA is enacted, government agencies can start implementing their programs and project based on the allocate budget. There's a third processes of budget in the Philippines. Okay, the fourth budget processes in the Philippines. This is budget monitoring and evaluation. Others are important throughout the fiscal year, and DBE monitors the budget implementation to ensure that funds are being spent efficiently and effectively. This involves assessing if programs are meeting their objectives and if there are any deviations from the approved budget. That's fourth budget processes in the Philippines. Okay, fifth, the last budget processes. This is a budget revision. If necessary, the budget can be revised through supplementary budgets or realignments during the fiscal year to address changing needs or unexpected events. That's last processes in the Philippines. That's all.